Hello once again, you beautiful people of the planet Earth. Welcome to another episode of Life Learner. So today, what I'm going to do is unbox with you the new Apple Watch Series 9, the GPS. It's just really like the plain and simple black sport band. So this is what the box looked like. That's how it came with. Pretty much like the normal watch. I've forgotten actually what the Apple Watch would come in, because before I bought this, I've always had the Apple Watch Series 3 and I have never upgraded until today. And what prompted me to upgrade was that I had, I think, $500 worth of gift card for Officeworks, and I think I had two $30 gift cards and two $25 gift cards that I can pick and choose to what I would like to exchange it with, but it's still going to be a gift card value, so I could choose whatever retailer's card I could pretty much switch it to. But I felt like since my $500 gift card was already for Officeworks, I might as well just check if they had the Apple Watch online, and sure enough, they did. The only drawback was that for me to be able to use a gift card, I have to check in store what color of the Apple Watch they had. So I couldn't really choose the pink one, which is what I initially liked to get. But then that was just fine with me because I already planned in mind to just, use the actual watch, the device itself, and I'm gonna use my existing strap, which was a silver vintage looking like watch strap. The pink is also cute, and yeah, if you want to wear pink, but for me it didn't really matter. I just really needed to get my hands on this just to make sure that the gift cards didn't expire, because I've forgotten about them and I didn't really think about what to get and ended up, letting them expire like what I've done with my previous gift cards. So I've learned from that mistake. So here it is. I went to Officeworks Hornsby. They just had this one black sport loop band. Sport band. The loop band is like the one that had the mesh net, or what's it like, a Velcro material. So this is the sport band, the basic. I feel like with black you can never go wrong, so I can wear it during my Pilates sessions and it would be fine whatever outfit I would wear. So here it is. That's the box. It's that high. That's the height. The width, probably an inch. The length, really don't know, and I feel like it doesn't really matter. So let's unbox it. I think you have to open that flap on this one. I like this. They really did, what's the terminology? I forgot. They really thought of the environment. Oh, okay. I was thinking why it was thick. It does come in with the box for the sport band and the watch itself. So there's like 2 in 1. So that's the box, same size, only slimmer. The initial box, and then the strap. Actually, it is the loop. I thought it would be the sport band. Anyway. Oh yeah. So this was sold for $6.97. by Officeworks, from the Officeworks website, and you can request for a price beat. I saw this was being sold from Costco for $649, so they did a price beat, which is 5% off the Costco price. So this has got to be cheaper, and I used up, I think, $615 worth of gift card. That the only amount that I had to pay out of pocket was $26. Not bad, hey, for an Apple Watch Series 9 and only $26 out of pocket. So that's why I really had to get my hands on it, whatever the color was available, because gift cards. So the box indicates carbon neutral. That's pretty good. They're targeting to be 100% carbon neutral by 2030. That's a really great initiative. We only just have one planet, we should take care of it. So I'm trying to unbox the sport band, but I think it's a sport loop. So I don't know. I'm hoping it's a band, but maybe it is a loop. So it's a black loop. Well, it's okay because I was really not going to be using the loop because I had a silver strap. But anyways, that's that. This is the small to medium size. And it's good that I had the black, because if this was in pink, I feel like it gets dirty really easily. And there's the direction where to pull the seal, so the box gets opened. And yeah, so it comes in with the actual watch and the charger. It's funny because I feel like some websites would say this doesn't come with a charger. Maybe the charger, the adapter itself, but the cable is definitely with the box. Awesome. Yeah, so let me just go ahead and so that's just it. It comes in with the watch itself and the charger here, and then the strap. So I'm gonna get the silver strap, the old one, which is, I really like that because it makes me look like I'm wearing just a conventional vintage type of watch. And it's silver because sometimes I like to wear jewelries in gold and silver, and having it a silver strap just complements. So let me just go ahead and get the silver strap for you guys, and then we'll set up my Apple Watch. So this is the strap I was telling you about. I've had this for a while and I really like it because it's just plain and simple. And yeah, you can wear it with your casual outfit, or if it's like to work, it still looks professional. It's not just like sporty. If you had a sport band, it goes with anything. So let's just go ahead and set it up. I like the paper. It feels sturdy and thick. So how do I remove it? Okay. I hope I'm doing it right, because I feel like it should unravel the device and the packaging should come off still very pretty, but I'm not doing this properly. I think it shouldn't be like this, but doesn't matter. It's all going in the bin, the paper anyways. So I'm doing this right. Yeah, I think so. Just connect it like you would. You press there's like a button and indentation underneath so that you can slide the strap in. I feel like I've never done this before. Come on, just get in. Okay. Loosen. Loosen, loosen. Like that. Oh, went through. I got stuck. Okay. There you go. There we have it. Brand spanking new, but it looks still the same because of the strap. I don't really mind. I'm just thinking if it would look better with the black strap. I don't know. But I'll set it up now. It needs to be charged. But this is how it should look like. Nothing really fancy or different from the previous watches if you're just looking at it.